Alright guys, Nasai Toys back with another unboxing video. This time we'll be doing two different packages purchased on two different places. And as you can see, they are really big. So we're going to do the small one first. So I'll get this big one out of the way. And the small one is from eBay. A lot I have purchased. So I need my trusty box cutter. And let's open this up. Okay, that was pretty easy. So now let's see it. Now let's see the contents. And it's just a bag inside of the box. Let's move the box. And now let us open up the bag to reveal what's inside. Alright, so first off we have a Hit Toys Dodge. The face is definitely not the best. Part of the name is scratched up. So they posted this as non-working or for parts. Next item is a Trackmaster 2 Flynn. And we have a Trackmaster 2 Toby. And Trackmaster 2 Lexi. Let's see what else. Trackmaster 2 Talking Thomas. Some cargo, it looks like. Hero. Hit Toys Hero. We also have Hit Toy Lady. And yep, there's a bit of corrosion in here. And then some more cargo. Trackmaster Talking James. Some more cargo. We have Trackmaster Stepney 2009. This doesn't have any corrosion, but the gear needs to be replaced. Then we have just a whiff shell with a bunch of stickers on it. And then we have Hit Toy Neville. And works, but there's something going on with the wheels that aren't letting him go. And then we have Thomas Makes a Mess. No eyebrows. But rest of it is looking good. The gear's good as well. And there's no corrosion. So, not quite sure what's wrong with it. And then we have some more cargo. And last three things, we have Duck's close shave, the hit toy one. Stickers are a bit messed up. Face looks good. Oh, it's hit toy, but it's on a Duck chassis. Or, not Duck, but Mattel chassis. Then we have Boko. Looking good. And there's no corrosion in this either. And the gear is good as well. And then last but not least, we have the holiday snow clearing Thomas. Let's see. The gear needs to be replaced. And there is a small bit of corrosion in here. So for the ones that don't have corrosion, we will put some batteries in them and test them. Alright, so I've grabbed some batteries. So we didn't see inside of Duck. So let's open him up and see if there's any corrosion or not. No corrosion. Oh, Duck is missing his switch. So won't be testing him. Surprised I didn't see that when I first grabbed him out. Okay. Now let's check. Thomas makes a mess. Let's try a different battery. Not sure why he wouldn't be working. Yep, so not sure what's wrong. The motor could be dead. I'll have to check later. This has some corrosion. Let's check out Boko. Let me get a C battery. We might have to give them 3 volts. Let's grab this. Pop in our batteries. Oh. Okay, we have light. So 3 volts. 3 volts work. Really slow on 1.5. So we'll need to warm up. I guess we can try 3 volts on Thomas makes a mess as well. if I can get this back on, which of course I can. So let's try these 3 volts. And still nothing, so I'll definitely have to check them. We know that Neville works, we just gotta fix his wheels. Let's try and get Dodge open. When I first tried, he wouldn't, so that's probably why they put him in this slot. Ah, there we go. Let's see if he works. Let's do 3 volts. I think I'll just do a 3 volt test from now on. Nothing so far. Let's see. Yep, so I'll try off camera for this guy. Guess we can check Hero. Feels like a battery's in here, so he might have some corrosion. Oh, no battery. Guess Hero's just very heavy. I know I said I'd do 3 volts for now on, but could've did this first. If the wire will cooperate. And again, nothing. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that's really good. Not sure if I want to open him up. Talking engines are hard. When they're put in lots, sometimes it's, when they're put in part slots, very much hit and miss. Hit or miss. Yeah, I have to check for him off camera as well. Let's see. Let's give 3 volts to Stepney. And see how we're doing. Nope, almost did the wrong ones. Okay. And does have a bad gear. I would guess that he doesn't work. Which, oh, someone took him apart and didn't put them back together correctly. So I'll have to fix that. Corrosion. And I'm not going to check the Trackmaster 2. because I'm not even gonna run those on my layout. Not quite sure what this one is. Wonder if this could fit in a troublesome truck. Not sure what it's for though. But that's about it. I will put these back in the box and grab the other one. Alright, so I had to zoom back out just so that we can get the box into frame. So I will grab my trusty box cutter and we can open this up. Okay, another easy open. Oh, forgot a spot. Even the best missing. Alright, I think I got it. Yep. Okay. Bottom of this packaging. And now we will open these up. Okay, so first we've got some cars. This was purchased from Facebook Marketplace. Let's put these aside. What else do we have in here? Have a red wagon. Some more cars. A lot of newspaper. This was a pretty big lot. Oh, that's cool. I've never had this one. Got a lot of cars. Have a ice cream box fan and Harvey. Have a ice cream factory flatbed and some more cars and a log car. Also got some more cars. And, well, got even more. Got a refreshment stand, which is cool. What else? Fireworks car, and no bicycle on the Freddy and a Dingaling car. I think this is our first engine. Oh, nope. Even more. Carnival cars. And you can just see how many cars there are so far. Another car. Another one of those carnival cars. And one of the flip cars as well. Wow. See if we can get all the cars first. Okay. That one will go last. Let's open this one. I think that's all the cars, so these should all be trains now. We have a red funnel Thomas. Looking amazing. And we also have a Tomy Thomas, which also looks really good. And the gear is good too. Oh, this is really, really good. No chips. Paint still looks good. That's really good. Next we have Duncan. I think this is from the Duncan and the Elephant. Funny how a bunch of Duncans always have bad gears. But other than that, it looks really good. Oh, can't forget the other thing. We have Snowy Diesel, which is really cool. Very, very cool. I've never had him before. So, next up, we have Comey Edward. If my knowledge is correct, based off of... I won't quote anyone on this, and I won't quote me on this either. But I believe that this isn't sunburnt because nothing else is sunburnt. But Tomy must have went through a bad batch of plastic. That's what I heard. Don't quote me. Not completely sure. And then in the next one, we have a, let's see, it says Hit Toy Thomas, but it has a Thomas in the jet engine face, or a surprise Thomas face, which is cool. Buffers aren't chipped, paint looks good, the stickers are amazing. Everything was kept in pristine condition. And what's on the other side? And we have another Mattel Thomas. This one doesn't have the red funnel. It looks really good. Stickers are good. Gear is good. Paint is good. No nick buffer beams. On to the next thing. We have I believe this is the 2009 Thomas with the CGI face. Gear is good, paintwork is good, sticker is good, no nicks, no scratches, amazing condition. Next we have another Thomas. This is Hit Toy. This one looks good too. And gear is good on this. So far the only bad gear is on Duncan, which is to be expected. And let's see. We have another Thomas. Another Hit Toy Thomas. Stickers are a bit scratched up. Not as good as the other stickers, but it still looks good. Gear is good. Wow. If anyone needs a Thomas, go to nasaitoys.com. And then we have a Sodor Spring Festival Thomas, which is Mattel. This looks really good as well. I've never had this one either. Gear is still good. Grips is good. Stickers are great. Face is good. And then last but not least, we have another James Works It Out. And this one is in the best condition. It's the only one I got with a coal cover or battery cover. They all came with the Tinder. Looks very good. Stickers are excellent. The face is really good as well. So everything looks great. So now I will put everything together and take the box down so we can get a close-up shot. Alright, here everything is all lined up. Alright, so we have Harvey and a bunch of cars. I have James Works It Out, Edward, Snowy Diesel, Duncan, the Thomas Army, and a bunch more cars. So gigantic lot, and including everything else that I got from the other package or the other lot. It is a lot. So hope y'all like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you need any trains, check out nasaitoys.com, where we sell great trains for great prices. Link will be in the description below. We charge less on there than we do on our eBay store, so I highly recommend checking it out. Hope y'all like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.